Hello guys, welcome to Coding Essentials. Today's topic is keywords, identifiers, indentation and comments. So let's start with keywords. Keywords are some reserved words which cannot be used as identifiers of variables or functions. Some of the most common keywords which is used in Python are shown on the right of your screen. So, as you can see, false, none and true are starting with a capital letter. All other are starting with a running letter. So, and remember that Python is a case sensitive language. So you can define a variable named class with starting with capital letter because it's not equal to the keyword class which is starting with the running letter. Okay, so remember this. Now let's go to identifiers. Identifiers is a name of class, function, variables, etc. There are some rules to define identifier, or there are some rules to name the identifiers. First rule is identifiers can be combination of letters in lowercase or uppercase or digits or an underscore. Let me show you an example. We'll go to our Python shell. Okay, so this is our Python shell. We will understand the concepts in the Python shell and we will write the code in script mode. So just go to file and then new file, and this is the script mode of Python ideally. So we will write the code in that. Just now we will understand the concepts inside the shell. It will give output of each and every line. So it is just like a command line interface. Okay. So the first rule says that it can be a combination of small letters, capital letter, okay, capital letter, small letter, underscore and a numeric. So is equal to, I say 8. So as you can see, it did not show any error. It can be like this also, or it can be like this also. It won't show any error. So this is what the first rule means. Now the second rule, an identifier cannot start with a digit. So let's try starting it with a digit. So if I write 8 var is equals to 72, then it will show an syntax error. It will highlight the error. So this is what the syntax error is. You cannot start a variable name with a numeric digit. Okay, so that was the second rule. The third rule, keywords cannot be used as identifiers. Like if I write class is equals to, see, as you can see, keywords will be highlighted with a different color. So as you can see, class is in orange color. So if I write class is equals to 72, it will again show an error. You cannot equate a keyword with a int value, invalid syntax. So that was the third point. We cannot use special symbols like exclamation mark, @ hash, dollar, percentage, etc. in our identifier. So for example, if I write var @ is equals to 24, it will show an error. It will show a different error because var is not defined, because @ means something else over here. Okay, that was the fourth rule. An identifier can be of any length. So if I want to declare a variable of a, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z is equals to 3, then it won't show an error. So the length of the variable, name of the variable can be of infinite length. Okay, so these were the 5 rules of naming identifier, or the rules for nomenclature of identifiers. So let's move on to indentation. Most of the programming languages like C, C++ and Java use opening and closing curly braces to define a block of code. In Python, there are no brackets. Also, in Python, there are no semicolons, just indentation. I will show you an example after the fourth point. A code block starts with indentation and ends with the first unintended line. The amount of indentation is up to you, but it must be consistent throughout the block. Like if true, sorry, yeah, if true, then I will teach you the if else conditions later on. I will teach you all this in the upcoming videos, don't worry. As you can see, sorry, we haven't defined any open and closing brackets, just a space before uh, condition of if and then colon, and again no, just a tab indentation, and then we wrote this and then entered. So the unintended line will mean that we have to stop. So this is the beauty of Python. So this was all about indentation. So if you have learned any C or C++ before Python, then you would know how relief it is of semicolons and many more. Comments. There are two types of comments: single line comment and multi-line comment. Single line comment is started with an hash, and multi-line comment is started with three quotations. Okay, so this was all about comments. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.